heavy how, Uterus?
Because it's super crowded in here. Something's taking up space.
Oh, that explains it. But wait, why do you feel heavy and sore all the time lately?
It's because of something called a uterine fibroid. It grows from my muscle wall.
Hold on. Is that cancer?
Nope. Relax. It's not cancer, but it does like causing trouble.
What kind of trouble?
It presses on my walls and blood vessels, so periods can get heavier, longer, and more painful.
So the bigger the fibroid, the worse it feels? Exactly, Bray Brain. Is there anything that can help with this, Uterus?
It